grilling season is a cause for celebration. Nothing beats a long and lazy backyard dinner party ripe with flame-grilled steak and ribs in the summertime. However, with regular grilling comes regular cleaning. There are dozens of options on the market that are designed to tackle cleaning the grill with ease, but we've found the best grill cleaners for a variety of needs, whether you're looking for a heavy-duty wire brush or a lightweight, plant-based oil. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 grill cleaners on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Grill Art Grill Brush. The Grill Art Grill Brush for outdoor grill isn't like a regular wire brush, it's a very cool wire brush. The double helix design provides flexible edges designed to clean your grill with minimal effort, but the looping circular design also means you won't end up with rogue bristles left over on your grill. The wide scraper helps to remove stubborn residue faster, but we're particularly fond of the fact that this bush head is completely hollowed out, which means your vision won't be blocked while cleaning. This allows you to target all the stuck-on grease and carbon without having to lift your brush to get a full picture of the dirt and grime still stuck on the grill. We also really like that this brush comes with an ultra-strong handle that is surprisingly thin and comfortable to use. It's lightweight and ergonomic, but it can still handle heavy cleaning without flexing or snapping. Number 2. Kona 360/Clean Grill Brush. If you're set on a traditional wire bristle brush but want to decrease the risk of the dangers associated with the tool, mainly loose bristles that could end up in your food, the best grill cleaner for you might be the Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush. The brush is safe for all grill types, including indoor grills, and features a distinctive 3-brush design that cleans your grill's surface incredibly quickly. The bristles are touted as being extra secure to cut down on the possibility of them shedding into the grill while you clean. We also really like that the Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush features a generous 18-inch handle that doesn't flex or bend with heavy use. The longer than average handle allows you to use both hands while cleaning for minimal effort, while the rigid material is sturdy enough to really get into the nooks and crannies of your grill without running the risk of snapping. Number 3. Alazi Grill Griddle Cleaning Brick Block. The Calfoya Alazi Grill Griddle Cleaning Brick is definitely the least conventional of the best grill cleaners on the list, but the pumice stone is a great option for anyone in search of an economical and effective grill cleaner that won't scratch your grill's surface or leave behind harmful wire bristles or toxic chemicals on your cooking surface. The pumice stone features a durable descaling construction that can easily remove buildup and stuck-on grease without requiring any additional sprays or oils, and the surprisingly heavy-hitting material doesn't require a ton of manual labor or pressure on your end. The slightly abrasive pumice material will do all the work for you, but keep in mind that the lack of a handle means that you should take care to watch your hands and wait until the grill has cooled significantly before cleaning. Why you should get it: this alternative to sprays, foams, and brushes cleans and descales with minimal effort on your end. Number 4. Grill Rescue Barbecue Replaceable Scraper Cleaning Head. The Grill Rescue Barbecue Replaceable Scraper earns our top spot for the best grill cleaner for myriad reasons, but we particularly like that it's a more sustainable alternative to the traditional grill cleaning brush. It's made with an aramid fiber material, the same material used in firefighter gear, that is heat resistant, food safe, and long lasting, but even when the head does start to wear down, you can pop it off the handle and replace it. This cuts down on plastic waste and cost while also ensuring a safe and complete clean. The replaceable head is also super easy to work with. It's dishwasher safe, which means you can easily wash away the debris and grease after each clean without having to put in any additional legwork. It also has a built-in metal scraper on the top of the head for heavy-duty jobs that functions the same way a wire brush would. Number 5. Caron & Doucet Barbecue Grill Cleaner Oil. The Caron & Doucet Barbecue Grill Cleaner Oil is by far our favorite option when it comes to a food-safe and sustainable spray that is both easy and safe to use on a regular basis. The naturally degreasing and deodorizing agent is the consistency of an oil rather than a traditional cleaning spray which, in tandem with cleaning and degreasing your grill, will also build a natural seasoning that will, in turn, help to prevent rust and seal off pores to prevent food from sticking to the grill. We also really like that the consistency of this cleaner, a light oil, doesn't clog or build up around the spray nozzle, which means you won't run into any technical issues while trying to spray down your grill, even if you don't always wipe down the nozzle after each use. That said, it can get a bit messy while cleaning and might leave behind a bit of a film. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.